Los Angeles presents a unique landscape for landlords, shaped by a combination of state laws and local regulations. Understanding these laws is crucial for protecting your investment and fostering positive landlord-tenant relationships. This comprehensive guide will provide clarity on landlord rights in Los Angeles, empowering you to navigate the rental market confidently. From rent control measures to eviction procedures, we'll delve into the key aspects of California law and Los Angeles-specific ordinances that directly impact landlords. We'll explore your rights and responsibilities, providing practical insights to help you make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned landlord or just starting, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to operate legally and ethically. Remember, responsible landlords contribute to a stable and fair housing market for all. Let's embark on this journey to demystify landlord rights in Los Angeles and empower you to manage your rental properties effectively. 2024 brings about significant changes to landlord-tenant laws in Los Angeles. Staying abreast of these updates is crucial for compliance and avoiding potential legal issues. One notable change is the expansion of rent control policies impacting landlords across the city. Additionally, new regulations regarding eviction notices and just cause requirements have been implemented, further safeguarding tenant rights. Landlords must familiarize themselves with these changes to ensure their practices align with current legislation. Failure to comply with these new laws can lead to costly penalties and legal disputes. Consulting with a legal professional specializing in landlord-tenant law is highly recommended to navigate these complexities effectively. By staying informed and adapting to these updates, landlords can maintain compliance and foster a fair and transparent rental environment. Rent control is a significant factor in the Los Angeles rental market, aiming to protect tenants from exorbitant rent increases. The city's Rent Stabilization Ordinance, or RSO, governs rent control, imposing limitations on rent adjustments for eligible units. Landlords must understand the intricacies of the RSO to determine if their properties fall under its purview. For rent-stabilized units, landlords must adhere to specific guidelines for rent increases, typically tied to the Consumer Price Index. While rent control aims to provide affordable housing options, it also presents challenges for landlords in terms of property maintenance and investment returns. It's crucial to strike a balance between respecting tenant rights and ensuring the economic viability of rental properties. Landlords should consult with legal and financial advisors to navigate the complexities of rent control and make informed decisions regarding their investments. Evictions are a complex and sensitive aspect of being a landlord, requiring strict adherence to legal procedures. In Los Angeles, landlords must have just cause to evict a tenant, such as non-payment of rent, lease violations, or illegal activities. Before initiating an eviction, landlords must provide proper written notice to the tenant, outlining the reasons for eviction and the time frame for compliance or vacate. The eviction process involves filing court documents, attending hearings, and potentially obtaining a court order for possession. It's crucial to note that self-help evictions, such as changing locks or shutting off utilities, are strictly prohibited and can have severe legal consequences for landlords. Seeking legal guidance throughout the eviction process is essential to ensure compliance with all applicable laws and protect your rights as a landlord. Maintaining safe and habitable rental properties is a fundamental responsibility of landlords in Los Angeles. Tenants have the right to live in units that meet basic health and safety standards, including functioning plumbing, heating, electrical systems, and structural integrity. Landlords are obligated to address maintenance requests promptly and make necessary repairs to ensure the property remains habitable. Failure to address maintenance issues can lead to tenant complaints, potential legal action, and even rent abatements. Regular property inspections are crucial for identifying and addressing maintenance needs proactively. By upholding property standards, landlords not only fulfill their legal obligations but also foster positive landlord-tenant relationships and protect their investments. Creating a safe and secure living environment is paramount for landlords in Los Angeles. Landlords have a legal duty to take reasonable measures to protect tenants from foreseeable criminal acts and maintain a secure property. This includes providing functioning locks on doors and windows, adequate lighting in common areas, and taking steps to address any known security risks on the property. Landlords should also educate tenants about safety precautions and encourage them to report any suspicious activity or maintenance needs promptly. By prioritizing safety and security, landlords can create a more desirable living environment for tenants and minimize the risk of liability issues. Regular security assessments and proactive measures are essential for fulfilling this important responsibility. Landlords in Los Angeles are prohibited from discriminating against tenants based on protected characteristics under fair housing laws. These laws prohibit discrimination based on race, color, religion, national origin, sex, familial status, disability, or source of income. It's crucial for landlords to treat all applicants and tenants fairly and equally throughout the rental process, from screening applicants to handling maintenance requests. Discriminatory practices such as refusing to rent to families with children or making discriminatory statements can have severe legal consequences. Landlords should familiarize themselves with fair housing laws and implement policies that promote equal housing opportunities for all. By fostering an inclusive and respectful environment, landlords contribute to a fair and equitable housing market in Los Angeles. Security deposits are a common aspect of the rental agreement, providing financial protection for landlords against potential damages or unpaid rent. In Los Angeles, specific rules govern the handling of security deposits, outlining allowable deductions and return timelines. Landlords must provide tenants with an itemized statement of deductions within 21 days of the tenant vacating the unit. Allowable deductions typically include unpaid rent, cleaning costs beyond normal wear and tear, and repairs for damages exceeding normal use. Failure to comply with security deposit laws can result in legal disputes and financial penalties. Landlords should maintain accurate records of security deposit deductions and communicate transparently with tenants regarding any deductions made. The lease agreement serves as the foundation of the landlord-tenant relationship, outlining the terms and conditions of the tenancy. In Los Angeles, lease agreements must comply with state and local laws, including specific disclosures and provisions. Landlords should use comprehensive lease agreements that clearly outline rent payment terms, lease duration, maintenance responsibilities, and other essential aspects of the tenancy. It's crucial to review and update lease agreements periodically to reflect changes in laws and regulations. Having a well-drafted lease agreement signed by both parties is essential for preventing misunderstandings, resolving disputes, and protecting the rights of both landlords and tenants. Maintaining accurate and organized records is crucial for landlords in Los Angeles. Proper record-keeping not only helps with financial management but also serves as evidence in case of disputes or audits. Landlords should keep thorough records of rental applications, lease agreements, rent payments, maintenance requests, security deposit deductions, and any communication with tenants. These records can be stored electronically or physically, ensuring easy access and organization. Implementing a system for record-keeping from the outset can save landlords time, stress, and potential legal complications in the long run. Landlord-tenant laws can be complex, and navigating legal issues can be daunting. Seeking legal counsel from an experienced attorney specializing in landlord-tenant law is highly recommended for landlords in Los Angeles. An attorney can provide guidance on lease agreements, evictions, security deposit disputes, discrimination claims, and other legal matters. They can also represent landlords in court proceedings and help them navigate the complexities of the legal system. While legal representation can incur costs, it can save landlords significant time, money, and potential legal ramifications in the long run. Understanding landlord rights in Los Angeles is essential for creating a successful and mutually beneficial landlord-tenant relationship. By staying informed about current laws, regulations, and best practices, landlords can protect their investments, minimize legal risks, and foster positive living environments for their tenants. Remember that knowledge is power, and staying proactive in your understanding of landlord-tenant law is an investment in your success as a landlord. Continue to educate yourself, seek legal counsel when needed, and strive to create a fair and equitable housing experience for both you and your tenants. If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.